It is August 8th, something like that. And today we're seeing if I have the strength and the spirit, mostly the strength though, of my biking. We got the water, the bike lock, a new one. It's called the bike. Hey guys, I don't know how good this angle is. I feel like it's alright. I'm on a bike, yeah. That's all I have to say for now. You know, we're just getting started. My legs are feeling, you know, fine because I'm just getting started. But there will be an update later on, you know. Maybe I'll just turn the camera around.
I don't really think that little bitch shit to me, I left that bitch and left that little bitch history. Round and you know I got this stick on me. Yo bitch with me, you know she finna stick with me. Run from police, it's to track me. I ain't a fuck nigga, you can subtract me. I ain't telling shit, don't ask me. Hood bitch so sassy. You know I'm still humble, even though I let a lot of niggas pass me. And you know it's no Roy Rumble, got the chopper in the fucking backseat. Pulling up and we mobile, we ain't never pulling up in no taxis. DR on my head and my toe when your bitch gas me. We sippin' lean, we smoking dope, we can call that a gas leak. We eatin'.
Oh, look at the sunscreen on my arm. What does that tell you? I've been in better shape before. I also gotta start taking a different route. I take this route all the time. I am so excited to have this water. I'm ready.
And ain't fasting, try on me.
Now, for the best part of my trip.
Hitting blasting, hit that boy, he like what happened. Real street nigga, I ain't with that capping. But I'm a trap nigga, so I'm capping. When you see a eye, put a cap in his ass. Yo nigga drive, then I swear so bad. Niggas ain't where they do that at. Bad bitch, yeah you know that bitch bad. Slugging dub, man, I'm high my ass. We shooting shit finna get mad. I need a blunt that'll forever last. See though, we don't smoke gas. Slugging dub, man, I'm high my ass. We shooting shit finna get mad. I need a blunt that'll forever last. See though, we don't smoke gas. Smoke gas, smoke gas, smoke gas.
That sums up the bike ride, my biking experience. I know there wasn't much commentary. I walked most of that way back. There was just no way my legs could handle that. So, sorry, the time lapse was really boring.
Y'all do walk like the trap for the allowance.